In this tutorial in CyberLink PowerDirector, I'd like to give you some tips for syncing manually an audio track and video track. This is a very time-consuming process that can be really frustrating. I can't take all of that out of it, but let me give you some tips that sometimes work for me. Sometimes you receive raw data that isn't in sync. It could be a malfunction of hardware or software. We've had occasions at our church where the audio channel into the video camera was not properly connected. That's the kind of situation I'm emulating here in this tutorial. For me, the first thing I need to do is listen carefully to the audio, and if I can, look at the waveform and try to find a place where there's something distinctive. This is especially true if you have a person on the screen like we have here, and I'm going to do some lip reading in a moment. So let's play a little bit of this and see if we can find a spot that might work.
Also, thanks for Don Walters for organizing the men's golf outing this past week. We had a great time with that. We'll be doing more of that in the days and weeks to come. So great job, guys. Our group came in last place, but we had a great time. Hey, did you hear the story about the 6-year-old girl who had earned...
Okay, we have a gap here. There's a cough, and then he says, hey, did you hear the story about the 6-year-old girl? Now let's see if we can mark that. Let me see if I can lip read and find that place in the video track. We're going to try to lip read and see if we can find that pause and then the hey, did you hear the story?
But we had a great time. Hey, did you hear the story about the 6-year-old girl who had...
It looks like he's saying story about. I'm going to enlarge this a little bit. When I do this, I need to turn the audio off because it distracts me. You might find that helpful too. Let's see if we can get close to it. There's a story about, so we're pretty close right here. I'm going to put a timeline marker, and I'm going to use story about. Now I'm going to activate the audio track again, and right-click on it, and I'm going to go to automatic beat detection. And I've got a warning message because I cut off a little bit of the first of it. That's okay. Click on OK. I'm going to move this around because I see we're about 59 seconds into the project here. And we'll play it, and then I'll click on the Add button when I get to Story About.
Hey, did you hear the story about the 6-year-old girl who had earned a Barbie doll for doing...
Okay, somewhere close to here is our beat detection. So I'm going to click on Apply. And now I have, this would be approximately the place where that story about occurs in audio, and this word is in video. So the next thing I want to do is I want to take and try to match these two clips up horizontally. So we'll drag to the right. We'll see if we can get in the ballpark. We'll fine-tune it in a minute here. Let's see how good we got it. Let's see if we're close.
Hey, did you hear the story about the 6-year-old girl who...
And if you want to get more precise in what you're doing, all you need to do is click on the audio track, hold the Alt key down, and then you can move the audio track left or right to match it up. Let's try right here and see if it's perfect. I might have guessed close to that. Let's try.
Who had earned a Barbie doll for doing some chore or something.
I think the video is a bit ahead of the audio, so I'm going to hold the Alt key down and move it a couple frames to the right and see if we get a better result.
Hey, did you hear the story about the 6-year-old girl who had earned a Barbie doll?
That's pretty good, so we'll try again here. We'll move it a couple more frames. You see the frame numbers moving up here when I do that.
Hey, did you hear the story about the 6-year-old girl who had earned a Barbie doll for doing some chore or something?
And you can tweak this process to your own satisfaction, but I hope it helps sometimes when you find yourself in this difficult situation that can be very tedious and very time-consuming.